finally meeting Bigfoot Vlogs, my favorite vlogger in the wild. You the best.
So do you think you could take on 100 gorillas? Be honest.
Now we're eating here. I have a snow sandwich.
And Bigfoot.
That's it for today's wild adventure, folks. Thanks for watching. Stay warm.
In this video, I'm showing you exactly how creators are making these hilarious, ultra-realistic AI animal vlogs using Google's new Veo 3 tools, and how you can do it too. All the links, tools, and prompts I use are in the description below. Let's go. First things first. Why is everyone suddenly making AI animal vlogs? Because they're funny, weirdly realistic, and they perform insanely well on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram. I've seen videos get millions of views in days, and it all starts with a simple idea, some AI tools and copy-paste prompts. Literally anyone can do it. To get started, here's what you'll need. ChatGPT for ideas and script. Google Veo 3 for video generation. CapCut for editing. A story idea. I'll help you get one. And that's it. Let's walk through the full process, step by step. Step-by-step walkthrough. Don't worry if you're stuck. Not every great video begins with a genius spark. Here's the trick. Use the free ChatGPT prompt in the video description below. It helps you instantly generate creative, viral vlog ideas. Try something fun and weird like a Yeti trying to find inner peace in a loud forest. A cat detective solving mysteries in a city run by mice. Or a squirrel who trades crypto from a treehouse loft. The weirder, the better. Viral stories are often the most unexpected. Open ChatGPT in a new tab and paste the prompt into the chat box. Hit generate, and ChatGPT will give you a list of fun, unique, and viral-worthy concepts to choose from. If you already have an idea of your own, feel free to skip this part. But if you want fresh inspiration, this prompt is perfect for that. Once you have your concept, the next step is to break it down into scenes. Remember, we're not just making one short clip. We're building a story, or a series of moments that feel like a real vlog. Now you'll use prompt 2, which is also linked in the description. Step by step, copy prompt 2 from the description. In ChatGPT, paste it below the idea you selected from prompt 1. Make sure to insert your chosen idea in the blank space where the prompt says, "Insert your concept here." Hit generate. ChatGPT will now give you around 8 to 10 detailed scene descriptions. Each scene will include a camera angle, setting, what your character is doing, and natural spoken dialogue. These are super important because we'll use each one of them to generate video scenes inside Google Veo 3. Now for the fun part, animation. Head over to Google's Veo 3 platform. Sign up, there's a free trial, and go to Flow, text to video. Paste your first scene into the prompt box. Choose the Veo 3 model that fits your style. Click generate, and wait about 30 seconds. Boom. You've got a fully animated video clip.
Today, I become a productivity weapon. Also, this coffee tastes like burnt rain.
With characters, motion, voiceover, and even background sounds. Now just repeat the process for each of your 8 to 10 scenes. Yes, it takes a bit of time up front, but trust me, once you hit your rhythm, it goes fast. By the end, you'll have a full story video built from scratch, and it'll look like it came from a pro studio. Once your scenes are ready, download them and head to CapCut. Drop the clips into a timeline, add clean transitions, and enable auto captions. Want extra punch? Add subtle background music or ambient sounds, but keep it light so it doesn't fight the voice. When you're done, export in high resolution. Boom, you've got a viral-ready AI vlog. You don't need to be an editor or animator anymore. These tools let anyone build full stories from just a few lines of text. I've seen people go from 0 to tens of thousands of followers with just one good series. Some are getting brand deals. Some are just having fun. Either way, it's your turn. Pick your idea, copy the prompts, create your scenes, paste them into Veo 3, edit, post, go viral, repeat. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a link to your first AI vlog. I'd love to check it out. Now go, disrupt hibernation.